The way I express myself is very descriptive. It's almost not of this century.
I used to only kind of write in one way.
I hated poetry all my life, but now I'm writing it, which is like cool sense of irony.
I would never write something that I don't know about. I wouldn't write about a place I've never been.
It advocates for gender equality and justice.
You have to be respectful, which is why research is really important.
Most of the people I know in the course have started writing different stuff based on the conversations they were having.
I tried to be witty, but also be hard-hitting.
And some people who'd never tried crime wanted to try out crime.
I'm not just stuck in one genre.
Some people who'd never done fantasy really wanted to try out fantasy.
It's really hard to define, and maybe I don't want to define what I write.
I write endlessly, but then I learned how to structure.
I can really be quite fluid.